video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a HUD script into our FiveM server. This script contains 10 different types of HUD design which you can use into your FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which I'm going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just have to click on code and download the script. After downloading it, we just have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the main from the name. Now open the file, then go to config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script. So this is a keybind to open the HUD menu over here. From here you can configure the stress level system. If you want to use miles per hour, then you just need to keep the MPH to true. Otherwise, if you want to use KMH, then change the true into false. If you want only admins can change the icons and the shapes of HUD, then you just need to change the false into true. And there are much more configurations which you can configure from here. Before starting up the server, make sure to delete the default HUD script from your resource folder. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and on my bottom left you can see the HUD which we have installed into our FiveM server. So this is the default HUD design of the script. Now let's open the HUD menu. For that we just need to press I, and this is the HUD menu over here as you can see. So if you want to reset the HUD, we just need to press this reset HUD button over here. And by clicking over here you can reset the settings. Now let's see some more options over here. Now let's turn on all the status of the HUD from here. And there are much more options which you can check it out from here. Now let's go to the status icons. Let's turn on the design mode from here. It will show all the icons of the HUD. Let's turn on the global icon settings. Guys, make sure to check out the Nexus V2 server. The link is in the description below. From here we can change the shapes of the HUD. As you can see, we have 10 different types of shapes over here. From here we can change the size and the positions of the HUD. So I'll be keeping it default for now. And from here we can change the HUD's color. If you want to change the status of only one single icon, then we have to open this menu over here. From here we have to select the icon which we need to change. Now even we can change the shape of that particular icon from here. As you can see. Now let's change the color of the hunger icon. As you can see over here. Now let's check this option. From here we can change the layout of the icons. And there are much more options which you can explore it from here. Now let's turn off the design mode. If you press escape, you can see your customized HUD over here. Now if you want to reset the icon to default, then you just need to click over here. Just like this, as you can see. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.